The Details worksheet contains a section to calculate summary statistics for the 5 loans you are working on for the Townsend Mortgage Company. In this activity, you will calculate typical summary statistics such as totals, averages, medians, lowest values, highest values, and counts for the house cost, down payment, and amount financed values of the 5 mortgages you are evaluating. You will use built-in functions to facilitate the calculation of these summary statistics. Functions are predefined computational operations in Excel used to simplify the calculation process. You want to calculate the total cost of all 5 houses. Instead of entering a formula that adds the values in each cell individually, you will use the sum function. After starting the sum function, use the semi-selection method to select the range of cells that contain values that you want to include in the total. Excel calculates the total value of all 5 houses, which is $1,521,200. Next, you want to calculate the average house cost. Use the average function to calculate the mathematical average of values in a range of cells. The function library contains commands for categories of functions. The average house cost is $304,240. You now want to calculate the median house cost, but you aren't sure where to find the function. If you don't know where to find a function in the function library, you can use the insert function command between the name box and the formula bar. Enter a name to search for a function and read the description in the search results. You can collapse the function arguments dialog box so that you can select a cell or a range of cells for a particular argument. The median house cost is $329,750, indicating that half of the houses cost less than this value, and half of the houses cost more than this value. The median function is often more useful than the average function because the average function is influenced by extreme values. 3 other commonly used functions are min, max, and count. The min function identifies the lowest values in a range. The lowest house cost is $175,500. The max function identifies the highest value in a range. The highest house cost is $400,000. The count function identifies the number of cells in a range. In this case, the function indicates that the range includes 5 cells, or houses. You can use the fill handle to copy a range of functions to other columns. Excel modifies the ranges in the function arguments to calculate the summary statistics for the down payment and amount financed columns. The results of the summary statistics change based on this new house value you enter in cell B9. The today function does not require any arguments. It returns the current date. After applying the today function, you need to resize the column to fully view the inserted date value. Excel contains a multitude of functions to perform a variety of calculations. Some of the most commonly used summary statistical functions include sum, average, median, min, max, and count. People often use the today function to insert the current date.